in the industrial practices, I mean any resource to follow. Yeah, this is exactly what my class on Wednesday was about. So I would encourage you to go back and on YouTube and look for the 2-hour class that I did. This is exactly what I did. I started with a news article. I showed them the study, showed how the study has its own analytics, how the study made its raw data available, and then how to work with it from there. So, part of it is just really applying yourself and putting in the time to do it. Putting in the time to say, hey, I read this article, but I'm not sure I agree with the conclusions. Let me go do my own research on that article, right? So Lakshmi, I would encourage you to start there, because that is exactly the problem that a lot of people approach me with. And that's why I did the class around that, because I want to show you how to actually get started, how to actually do the work of a data scientist. And it's in that video. I believe it's pronounced Mahinul. I am from Melbourne, 30 years old with an electrical engineering background.